Hello, this is Mrs. Reyes, and I am going to be sharing with you another very easy to make activity with your preschooler based on their cognitive development fine art skills with the strand of the visual arts and the concept of creating and understanding the visual arts. And they will also be reviewing a little bit of shapes and colors. So the materials that you are going to need for the art project are paper or any cardboard or cardstock that is okay for your preschooler to paint on. And your preschooler is going to be needing cups because the cups is going to be what they are going to paint with. And plates because the plates are going to be where you're going to put the paint on. Okay, so flat little plates like this. And of course, the paint. So it doesn't necessarily have to be these colors or this kind of paint, whatever paint or colors that you have at home. But if you do not have any paint at home, I am also going to share with you very quickly a very easy way to make paint at home. So the materials that you are going to need first to make paint, in case you don't have paint at home, are just a bowl. You are going to need half a cup of flour. So you're going to pour the half a cup of flour on a bowl. 1/4 of salt, so 1/4 of salt, and 3/4 of a cup of water. So 3/4 of a cup of water, and then using food coloring, you are going to add, I don't know if you could see it there, let me put it, food coloring. You could make a batch for every color or whatever color it is that your preschooler is wanting to use. So I already have a sample here that I made, and I made the color blue. So as you can see, it's kind of like a pastel blue. So I am going to use red right now just for the example. And you're gonna wanna go ahead and put maybe like 7 drips just because the water, the food coloring is not too bright on the water, and then you're just going to mix all of the ingredients. Just mix, and you could even make pink, or if you want the red to be a little bit darker, you are just going to go ahead and keep adding more food coloring, or if you want to make it purple, you can go ahead and add blue to it, and just play with the colors with your preschooler, and you are just going to continue to mix until the paint gets its consistency. And as I have shown you already, here, this is what it's gonna look like. This is already one that I had made, and I did it in the color blue. And going back to the art project, you are going to give your preschooler paper, and you are going to put 1 color per plate of paint, and then put the cup on top. So as you can see here, so I have yellow here, and you're gonna have them just dip the cup on the paint and have them, I don't know if you can see, just have them stamp the cup on the paper. It's kind of hard to see with the yellow, but I'll go ahead and use another color. And you can also give them blue and have them stamp around the cup on the blue paint, and also stamp around, and you could be reviewing with them right here the colors, the shape that they are creating, and also some red. And it's okay if they overlap, just however they want to stamp the cups on the paper. And then last I have green. So I decided to go with just the primary colors, but like I said, you could play around with the colors with your preschooler and have them mix colors to create new colors, or if they just want to use maybe one color that's their favorite color. So they're just gonna keep on stamping, and then this is one that's already dry that I did earlier before. And they can just go ahead and keep on stamping around until they finish their art project. So I hope that this activity was helpful and that you're able to create it with your preschooler and that they enjoy it as well. Thank you, and thank you for watching. Bye.